Good Saturday afternoon to all of our followers worldwide. We have it for you. You won't stop knocking our door down. You want to be invested. We have it. We have it set up for you. If you want an investment with no credit, with no stock account, you have it. You will buy now, pay later. We have the October updates. We can't stress it enough, but the real reason for the video is sign up for all of our special updates starting October 1. TurboOptionTrading.com. Sign up for all of our new updates as they come out, and you will have headlines and you will have everything laid out. You have the YouTube channel and you have the website, and you have a new program. You get to trade. No more sitting on the sideline. Sitting on the sideline days, those days are gone and over. Yes, you could call me the Three Musketeers or Robin Hood, because that's exactly what I'm doing with you. I have made it. You can't go to another website and get what I have. They don't have it. There is no competition. We want you to get updated all the time. Sign up now, turbooptiontrading.com. You've got everything listed out. You've got everything a trader would want. You got updates that you would want. You have mentoring, coaching. You have all the programs available with buy now, pay later. Every one of our programs in our menu items are valid and ready to go for buy now, pay later. Buy now, play later, or stay on the sideline. That doesn't make you money. Sitting on the sideline and not being in does not make you money. October updates coming to you. Spread it to everyone you know. You will be compensated. You will help others.